Hi, in this video, I'll show how Explorer can help you get deeper insights into your meta ad performance. If you're managing meta ads, you know how hard it can be to spot what's working and what's not before it's too late. Explorer helps you change that. It gives you a clear, flexible view of your ad performance. To make setup easy, Explorer includes flexible templates that are a great starting point, offering immediate value and insights without the need for manual setup. Creating a report using one of the templates in Explorer is straightforward. You will see three options. Individual ads, great for analyzing performance at the individual ad level. Top assets, groups performance by creatives or post IDs, so you can see how a specific video or image performs across campaigns. Custom groups, lets you organize ads using naming conventions you already use, like funnel stages or creative styles. Just click Use this template to get started. All templates are fully customizable by KPIs and time ranges, making them flexible for different campaign goals. If you'd like to create a new report from scratch, click New Report. Let's create individual ads report together. Name it, and a form with default settings will appear, featuring the ad account with highest spend. Feel free to customize your report. You can select up to 5 ad accounts, adjust filters, add up to 10 metrics, including meta custom conversions, custom metrics, as well as the ones based on Google Sheets, and metrics from integrated tools like Hyros, Wicked Reports, and AppsFlyer. You can edit the report name, schedule, configure attribution settings. Then, select timeframe and metrics in the table. Once you are done, click Generate Report. The report will generate in Table U, displaying ad previews, names, links to Ad Manager, selected metrics, creative types, ad elements, and performance data for up to 2 periods. All reports include line and bar charts that visualize performance trends over time for your selected key metrics. And here is where it gets even more useful. From any individual ads report, you can instantly create a new rule. Filters and conditions from the report are carried over, so setup is quick and accurate. You can even preview matching ads before turning the rule on. A new individual ads Explorer report will be created, automatically populating the form with the filters and metric conditions from the rule. By leveraging Explorer's advanced metric conditions and pre-configured templates, you can take a proactive approach to managing your ad campaigns. Start exploring today and unlock smarter ad decisions.